Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we solve the report in Hackerank. We're solving a problem where we need to generate a special report using the students and grades tables. Let's first understand the data we are working with. The students table has 3 columns: ID, name, and marks. The grades table has grade, min_marks, and max_marks. Each grade is tied to a marks range. The task is to generate a report with 3 columns: name, grade, and marks. But there are some special rules. If a student's grade is 8 or higher, we display their actual name. If a student's grade is lower than 8, we display null instead of their name. The results must be ordered by grade in descending order. For grades 8 to 10, if multiple students have the same grade, order them by name alphabetically. For grades below 8, if multiple students have the same grade, order them by marks in ascending order. To achieve this, we join the 2 tables using the marks range from the grades table. Then we use a case expression to replace the name with null when the grade is less than 8. Finally, we apply the custom ordering conditions. This query ensures the correct names, grades, and marks are shown, while also following the exact sorting rules given in the problem. When we run it, the result shows higher grades first with student names in alphabetical order, and for lower grades, null appears as the name with students sorted by their marks. And that's it. We've successfully solved the problem by combining joins, case expressions, and custom ordering in SQL. Let's run and look result. Result seems correct. Thank for watching video.